whilst we listen and watching this screen, we've just seen all the fighter pilots, the night pilots, the ring of fire pilots. Ring of fire pilot. I can't say nothing with this bloody thing going on. Whatever. What the hell is this? I can't see what I'm doing. What the hell's going on here? Who the hell can do this? Are you kidding me? What is this going on? Are you a robot? Oh my God, it reminds me of looking in my rear view mirror. I hope he's only in a shandy tonight. I don't know about you, but I'm getting the French Connection UK out of here. Helen's gone and heaven's near.
Got that phone line.
Has he gone? Right, so we're going to do the Ring of Fire, but we just need to kind of get more Ring of Fire people together. Before we do that, we're going to go to Team Renegade, the new boys on the block, well, kind of new boys on the block, you know what I'm saying? So, let's say a rebranding, shall we? Is that fair enough? Team Renegade boys are going to fly. There's that screaming thing. I think that man deserves a drink, don't you? Later in the bar, obviously. Right, once we listen and watching this screen in the rear view mirror. Kind of new boys on the block, you know what I'm saying? So, let's say a rebranding, shall we? Is that fair enough? Team Renegade boys are going to fly. There's that screaming thing.